Hello everyone. If you are looking at this image, don't just see vocab and its meaning. Understand little deeper. I will tell you why. Here sagacious means having good judgment or discernment. Instead of this word, he can give astute, sharp, perceptive, anything. If you don't understand deeper, you can't answer this question. Now you just think once, who is good at judgment? If he is wise, clever, smart, or if he understand quicker, then he can give good judgment. Think in that way. Here astute means smart, clever, or wise. So to remember easily, think like a student is smart. A student is smart. Astute means smart, clever, or wise. Sharp means you already know. And perceptive means who can understand quickly. So person who is good at judgment will be smart and he is easy to understand very quickly. Means if he notice something he will understand very quickly, so he can make good judgments. In this way you have to learn each and every word so that if examiner gives any other word you can answer. Sagacious means good judgment or astute, sharp, perceptive, anything. If you understand the meaning you can answer. Similarly, if you see the antonyms, indiscreet. Discreet means who is careful. Indiscreet means who is not careful and who is not good at judgment. You can think oppositely. Now, obtuse. See, right angle means 90 degrees. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degrees, means it is larger angle. So, obtuse people will understand slowly because their brains are not quick to understand. So, they will understand slowly. Unobservant, who could not understand, who could not observe. So, finally, if you see the word sagacious, 4 to 5 words should come to your mind. Sagacious means they will be good at judgment. Who will be good at judgment? If they are clever, wise, and who understand quickly, who will notice things faster. These people you have to understand, like sagacious means these are the qualities. Then you have to think oppositely. Indiscreet means they are not careful, they are not good at judgment. Obtuse people also will understand slowly, they will not think quickly. Unobservant, they will not observe that much. So if all these things comes to your mind, you will answer any question, even they change option or give similar other words. In this way, you can remember the word or vocab easily and you will never forget once you study in this way. And along with this thinking, you have to frame few sentences and use in your daily life. For example, if you see here, this sagacious leader anticipated the problem and solved it before it became serious. In this sentence, you can think he's a wise leader, so he anticipated the problem and solved it. Or that leader is very good at judgment, or he will understand quickly and solve the problem. In this way, you can think. Now, here is the other word, jukebox. Whenever you watch songs in YouTube or any other platform, you will see a list of songs like jukebox. Means they are mix of songs, different songs you may like. So here also, jukebox means it's a source of varied choices. Means it may be a collection or variety of something else. And what will be the antonym of that? Monotony means same work, same thing, or only one. Uniformity. That is also same. Look at the word prudent. Prudent means having carefulness and thinking before you do something. And who will do like that? Same wise person will do like that. He will be very cautious, means careful in whatever he does things. And he will think with a common sense. So you can see here the words sensible, wise, cautious. Now the antonyms. Imprudent means he don't think. He do impulsively means without any thinking. Rash, foolish. Wise opposite is foolish because he don't think wisely. So he's foolish, imprudent, etc. To remember easily, break down the word prudent into pre and dent. Pre means before. Dent means think as an action going to a dentist. So before going to the dentist means before you are performing any action, you are thinking once. Pre dent. Think before you act. Understood? For example, see the sentence a prudent person thinks before every decision. Before taking any decision, that prudent person will think. So use such type of sentences in your daily life. Other word lucid means remember it as a light. Whenever there is light, we see things clearly. Means lucid means clarity. If anything is clear, we will understand easily and we can express clearly. So, other synonyms like transparent, clear, coherent, all are the same meaning, which means clear or clarity. And the opposite is confusing, unclear, obscure. Remember this word obscure also, obscure, unclear. So, whenever you see the word lucid, just remember light. Light means clear, clarity. Next, resonant. I think you are clear with this word because we frequently use this. Resonance. Re means again and again. Sonate means sound. So, repetitive sounds. You may see like echo. Whenever you play guitar and if you strike that chord, you will see repetitive sounds and that sounds stays for a long time. So here resonate means to make a deep lasting impression, means staying for long, means to repeat repeatedly like echo. And the antonyms are dull, fall flat, disagree. Resonate means having lasting impression. Here dull means no impression, don't stays for long, flat, etc. If you use in a sentence, his words resonated with the hearts of audience. Means that person words created echo. Repeatedly they are remembering his words. He is such a great person that his words resonated with the hearts of the audience. In this way, you have to learn vocabulary. Then only you can remember for long and without any confusion. Even the examiner gives different types of options related to that word. Because in English, one word has different meanings based on the verb, like it is verb, noun, or adjective. Based on that parts of speech, meaning of the words changes. Same word, but different meanings based on that past parts of speech. So, if you understand in this way, it will be easier for you. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and please do comment so that I will understand how far you have understood, or should I change my way of teaching so that you will understand better. Because I am learning and I want you to learn also. This is from my side. Bye. Take care.